Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to install BSNL Teevra app on your Android mobile. Okay, this software was provided by BSNL team. Now click on install. This shows an error message here. Now unsafe app blocked. This error was due to the recent changes on recent privacy protections are not included while developing the app. Okay, still you can continue installing the app by click on more details and click on install anyway. Okay, now you have to allow app to install on your mobile by unlocking your phone with your maybe pin or your fingerprint. Okay, now the app is installing on your mobile. Now it will take a couple of seconds. You can see now app install. Click on open. Now you can enter your tip username password to use the app. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.